Good evening, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project, Magnetic Reversal News, and Shinrin Yoku, bringing you a grand solar minimum fizzled geomagnetic storm update Thursday, December 10th, 6 p.m. Mountain Time, 2020. Well, it is going to be a white Christmas, folks, for many of you across the United States, including some snow coming to the south. And that's the big story. Here comes the accumulating snow. Keep calm. It's boom time. Here we're looking at 2 to 4 inches across Cedar Rapids and Iowa cities. It's been record-setting in Iowa. It's going to be going from hot to cold quickly. And Friday on Saturday, rain will move in and change to slushy wet snow. And that could be a nightmare for Iowans. Near 60 temperatures about to end with weather turning colder and snow forecast for Des Moines. And the weekend before Christmas, some snow in the south, as I said. Here is one of the models. And we will check the latest model in just a moment. Heavy snow location in Michigan now has good confidence. And we're going to show you where. There's the rain snow line. So if you're in the north here, hello. And there will be snow, and we'll show you that. And early signs are pointing to potential blockbuster northeast snowstorm. Now, the last model run, it looked epic, but the new model run, it looks pretty meager, and we'll get to that. But right now, there is a winter weather advisory in effect from 9 a.m. Friday to noon Central Standard Time Saturday. And where is that? Portions of east, central, northeast, and southeast Nebraska and southwest Iowa. Mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 5 inches in the advisory area. And let's just walk you through that. Here is your Thursday into Friday morning. And there is that snow. The end of our 10-day window has come. And it is snowing outside right now. So the Four Corners are going to be picking up some snow, as well as the Northwest through Friday. Here is Saturday morning, and that is when the snow is going to be moving through Nebraska and Kansas there and Iowa. Saturday into your Sunday, which will be a fun day. More snow down in the Four Corners and a big pocket of heavy snow in northern Michigan. Texas, as well as Oklahoma, that's your Monday. Sunday into Monday. Texas, Oklahoma, the Sierras, the Northwest, all picking up snow. And then there's like a little boom down here in the south. December 14th, Monday. And here we are Wednesday, December 16th. Just about a week from now. And that's that northeast storm that they're talking about. So a lot going on. Heavy snow on the models for the Northwest, tilting the scales. And we'll see what happens up here in the Northeast. Stay tuned for more updates. A large storm to track across the U.S. A large storm system will track from the southwest into the central U.S. and through the east over the next few days. Expect some rain and heavy mountain snow for parts of the Four Corners region. On Friday, a few thunderstorms with severe wind gusts are possible over East Texas, the nexus of the absolute schmexus. Additionally, rain will spread into the mid to lower Mississippi Valley with some snow from the Central Plains to the Great Lakes. Click on your county for more details over at weather.gov. 2 earthquakes felt in Wichita Thursday morning. The 4th in 48 hours of earthquake powers in Kansas. The Nansis of the Schmansis. And these are all happening like downtown at the corner by the library and stuff like that. Are there underground bunkers? Is the military doing operations underneath Wichita? Could it be fracking? Offshore earthquake shakes buildings in Taiwan's capital. Taipei, a strong earthquake off the eastern coast of Taiwan has shaken the capital city of Taipei on Thursday night. There were no immediate reports of damage. Taiwan's Central Weather Bureau says the earthquake measured 6.7, and then the USGS downgraded it all the way to 6.1. It struck at 9:20 p.m. at a depth of 77 kilometers. Now, the USGS survey, according to this article, measured it at 6.2, and we'll come over to the map, and boom, 6.1. Down, down, and down. Downtown Leroy Brown. Well, we all know about the U.S. downgrade service, don't we? Oregon skier falls into a volcano vent. Holy macaroni. A terrifying moment for a skier in Oregon. Caroline Sunbaum was skiing Mount Hood, an active volcano, when she suddenly felt as if someone had pulled the chair out from underneath of her. She tells Good Morning America. She had fallen into a fumarole, of all things, or volcanic vent, which is covered with snow. Fumaroles are these hot, emanating, sometimes smells like farts, and can melt a hole in the snow, and you fall right in there. Could die from the fumes in the fumarole, for goodness sakes. Luckily, her partners had a rope, and she lived. Isn't that a beautiful story? Worldwide volcano news update. I haven't even looked at this, but I'm sure things are erupting, and it appears as if they are. Dozens of things erupting. Check the link. Will the Northern Lights be seen in Utah? Well, someday. Probably not this time. Not even into geomagnetic storm in the last 24 hours. Many of us were waiting for something maybe spectacular, but nothing, in fact, happened. And I'll bring you over here to the real-time solar wind, if it will load. There it is. And what we can see here 24 hours ago is that CME from the C7.4 flare arriving at Earth here, and not even bringing the KP up into geomagnetic storm, just geomagnetic instability in KP4, and then been quieting down for 24 hours. Now we get a little bit of jiggle in the activity here. We're missing data, but it doesn't look like any more activity. Certainly not a spectacular geomagnetic storm. It's a fizzler. New whale species discovered off the coast of Mexico. Looks like a dolphin, to be quite honest. Or maybe beluga whale.
We saw.
Oh my God, we will be demonetized.
Something new.
Stop. I'm trying to just pause this out.
We saw.
No, we didn't. Pretend you didn't see that. There will be a link below. Former Israeli space security chief says extraterrestrials exist, and Trump knows about it. Really? This is on NBC? Oh my gosh. Here's more NBC. Caught on video. Explosion levels home in upstate New York. Was it a meth lab? It's a big... Oh! Boom! Now that's how you do that. That's a boom. Aptera solar car claimed to need no charging, starts at $25,900 and arrives next year. This thing is insane. And you never need to put anything in it. Goes 100 miles an hour, 0 to 60 in 3.8. I don't know. Elon Musk's SpaceX prototype, well, another boom. Let's check it. Houston, we have a problem. I see the telemetry. Oh! Ah, shit. Damn it. Ah. I hate that. God, so close. Can I get another shot? Anybody? Anybody? Those poor Starlink passengers. Wetting their pants. Hope you got something out of the video. Things are going boom. We love each and every one of you. Proper prior planning prevents piss poor performance in a world that's going to shit. Be safe. And that's boom.